I've got my new Kimber 45 here with the aluminum frames from the custom shop. I'm going to roll on that metal man down there and go for headshots.
Busted the chain off on that one.
This pump shotgun was made by Gunsite, and it's really slick. Super slick action, very accurate. We've got excess sights on it and extra ammunition capacity, and it's cut to my length. Got a great recoil pad and good trigger pull. Shooting a shotgun like this is just a joy, and 12 gauge slugs are my favorite thing to shoot. I just love slugs. I've got a pint-sized soda can out there. It's about half the 12-ounce one. Got 40 yards away. I'm going to roll on it with this Dan Wesson PM745. I've got 6 of these. They're awesome 45s. They're super accurate and very reliable. Take a little bit of time to wear in. When you get them, they're really tight, so you're going to have to shoot 500 rounds through them to wear them in, or send them back to the factory and have them wear them in a little bit more for you. But they come really tight, and they're really accurate.